This? This is just isn't plain hummus. This is gut-loving, anti-inflammatory powerhouse packed with fiber, healthy fats, and flavor that wakes up every meal. If you're eating clean but craving something bold, this is going to be your new favorite dip. I guarantee it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy anti inflammatory recipes and check out the other videos on this YouTube channel, Anti-Inflammation Kitchen, for more delicious ways to eat clean and feel amazing. Okay, let me show you how to make this. First, I took a cup of raw chickpeas and I washed this several times under cool water until the water becomes clear. Washing also gets rid of dust, softens the chickpeas after cooking, and improves digestion. I also added half a teaspoon of baking soda to this. Baking soda will make the chickpeas softer and to cook faster as it breaks down the pectin in the chickpea skin. Then I just cover this and let this soak overnight in a warm area. The next day, I wash the chickpeas again and then I put this in my Instant Pot with 1 or 2 cups of water to cook for about 10 minutes. Or you can put this in a pot with 2 cups of water and cook this for an hour or less. You need to check this every few minutes to see when this gets cooked. I also added half a teaspoon of baking soda again to this to make this softer. Then I saved 1 cup of the cooked liquid in a bowl. The skin of the chickpeas should have also come up to the surface. You can go ahead and remove the skin of the chickpeas since that will prevent the hummus from becoming creamy when blended. Once cooled in the blender, I put the chickpeas, 3 tablespoons of tahini, and 1 cup of the cooked liquid from before. Tahini is a paste made from ground sesame seeds and it is anti-inflammatory. I then put a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You may need to add a little bit more later on. You can always taste this and see. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and you can always taste this to see if you want to add a little bit more. Okay, now, let me tell you my secret. I added 2 ice cubes to this, and ice cubes will make the hummus fluffy and creamy. Then I just blended this all together, and don't forget to do a taste test to see if you wanted any more tahini or salt in this. Once I poured this into a bowl, I added a 1/4 cup of olive oil, stirred this up really well, covered this up, and then I put this in the fridge and I kept this overnight. The next day, I got this from the fridge. I then added a touch of chili powder for some heat. Okay, not a touch, just enough to wake up my taste buds without overpowering the creamy, nutty flavor. It was so rich, zesty, and unbelievably satisfying. And the best part, every bite was packed with nutrients. I didn't even have to go and buy this from a grocery store. It's just fresh, clean, and I know what's in it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for some more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes that I post every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, guys.